I'm Dr. Kristen Hicks. I'm a veterinarian. I do mixed animal. I do a lot of small animal emergency medicine as well as large animal practice, so kind of see a little bit of every species. We see a lot of patients that can't get up and can't move, and we never want to see them in pain. So to mom and dad, that is an emergency no matter when it happens, if it's a weekend or the middle of the night. I absolutely think that there are preventative things that can be done for a lot of my patients. I can definitely recommend preventative measures for keeping these joints healthy and keeping these animals pain-free and comfortable and giving them a long, happy life. Preventatively using a supplement ahead of time can definitely help with that. I like to use a hyaluronic acid because it's something that naturally occurs in the body, and to me, if you can just take something that God put there and help it or make it a little bit better, to me that's a better choice than a synthetic option to put into the body and then ask the body to make that do what you want it to do. I really like the LubriSyn products because the hyaluronic acid that's in them, it's a higher molecular weight, liquid form, so it starts working quicker in my opinion. There are so many glucosamine and MSM and HA products out there, but I think this one I see results with faster. And to my clients, if they don't see results within the first week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they're going to drop that product quickly. And LubriSyn's one I think that most of my clients will stay with because they see a difference. So a lot of my canine patients as they age are suffering from joint pain and maybe inflammation in the joints. So they're slowing down and they're having decreased mobility, decreased activity because they just don't want to get up and move like they used to. And the LubriSyn really helps decreasing the inflammation and making them want to be more active because they feel better. So my personal experience with LubriSyn, I actually started using the product on my horses and loved it in the barn for them. Then I had an old blue heeler who was really slowing down. You could see it wore on her emotionally to have to stay back in the truck or stay at the farm instead of being able to run and go. And when we started giving her LubriSyn, she just got around better and didn't have to go take a break as often. And as my husband and I aged, we also started taking LubriSyn. I love LubriSyn because it's easy to use, easy to administer, and even your pickiest horse to your pickiest dog to your pickiest human, I feel like everyone takes it okay and doesn't mind it in their feed. Pretty cost effective, especially when you think about other things that you would have to give in place of. And people can justify that, I feel like, when it's less than $1 a day. LubriSyn buys you more good days and it gives quality of life to our patients for longer.